Did you know that it turns out AI content like this can make you get a routine income every month? This is a car restoration content made using a free and unlimited AI website. I try to take an example of this video from a YouTube channel named Camille Business Plan, and this person already has around 9,000 followers. We can see the popular video. For the views obtained, it is also quite a lot, and this is successfully monetized. The target is overseas, and the duration is quite long. In this video, we will learn how to make content like this. But please support me. You can like, comment, and subscribe so that I am also more enthusiastic to make interesting content for you all. Here's the tutorial video. You can start by using the prompt generator that I have included the link for in the comments column. For this prompt generator, it is free, and you can use it as you please. In this prompt generator, you have to fill in the necessary parameters. As an example, here you can fill in for the type of vehicle. For the type of vehicle, I will just make it like this. Make sure in this vehicle type, you also put the color of the vehicle so that the results can be consistent. Next, the restoration location. For the location here, I just make it like this. Then for the time, I will just make it in the morning. After that, we determine the number of scenes. The most interesting thing about this prompt generator is you can determine scenes up to 100 scenes by using a long duration video. But because this is only a sample video, I will try to make the 10 scenes one so that you know how it looks. If already, we just click Generate JSON prompt, and later on this side, the prompt that we requested will be generated. As you can see, for the prompt it has been made, the total is 10 scenes as our request. Next, we will try to make this prompt into a video. The site that we will use is Gemini Business. This site offers you the option to use it for free and unlimited for 30 days. First, you must fill in for the email in this column section. For the email, you can fill it with a temporary email if you do not have a personal email. But for this time, I will try entering my personal email. Then we click Continue. After that, you will be brought to an appearance like this. You can read it yourselves, that we get a trial for 30 days. You do not need to link a payment account. You can fill in for your name. You can check here, and then we click Agree. Now we have been brought to an appearance like this. We just click this part, and this is the appearance of Gemini Business that we can use to make V03 videos unlimitedly. Friends, there are several important features that you can try in Gemini Business. The first, you can go to the Settings section. Here, you just click on the Team section, then you just choose to manage the team. The appearance is like this. If already, we go to the bottom section called Team, and here, you can see we can invite up to 4 team members to use this Gemini Business. It means you can get additional credits to make videos with V03. You can invite directly here. Just insert the email that you invite, and later, the email that you invite must accept the request to join. But this time, we will just immediately focus on using Gemini Business. You can see at the bottom section, we get a 30-day trial, friends. We will try using it approximately. What models are available here? We can see in the Tools section. Here is available image creation using Nano Banana 2 and also video creation with V03.1. If already, we will directly generate the video. We return again to the prompt generator. Here, we can copy for the first scene prompt. After that, we return and we just paste it. For the model here, you can use the available one. Or, if you want to put it on auto, that is also fine. If already, just directly we send, and later the video will immediately be processed and we just wait for it. Now, for the video result is already finished. This is a video made using Gemini Business. There is something interesting about this. There is no watermark at all at the bottom part, and the quality is also very good. We will try to play the video result. For the video results, in my opinion, they are already good and suitable for you to use. Now, we will just continue the creation of the second video. We just directly copy the prompt, then we paste it, and directly we send it. Later, you just do the same thing until the last scene. If all video scenes we have already made, next, we will combine or edit all the videos. And for editing here, I use CapCut. but you may use other software or applications. First, we import all the scenes first. Here are the total 10 scenes that we have made. Next, all these scenes we drag to the bottom part. For the ratio, here we use a 16:9 ratio or landscape. If all ready, you can add transitions, and the transition that I will use the mix transition. We just drag it to the bottom part. After that, we click OK, then choose Apply to All, so that later all of them have transitions. The total for the scenes is at 1 minute 20 seconds. We can just directly save this video. And this is the video result. What do you think? If this video is useful for you, you can practice it right now too. Take the prompt generator in the comments column for free. Thank you, because you have supported my channel and watched this video, and see you in my next video.